Hi everyone! Today we're going to read, hold and write a sentence. Are you ready to help me? Sit on a cat. Your turn. Well done. Sit on a cat. Sit on a cat. Well done. Now when we write our sentences, we must remember capital letters at the beginning and full stop at the end. Sit on a cat. Full stop. Your turn. Well done. Sit on a cat. Your turn. Well done. Sit on a cat. Amazing. Well done. Now I need your help to write a sentence. First word, sit. Fred fingers. Show me. Well done, 3 fingers. Let's sound out the word. S, it. Now let's write it. First word, we need a capital S. S, it. Sit on. Fred fingers on. Show me. Well done. 2 fingers. Let's pinch the sounds. Oh. Well done. Remember, finger space, ace. On. Off. Down knobby and over his net. Well done everybody. Sit on a finger space, ace. A. Around the apple and down the leaf. Sit on a cat. Fred fingers, cat. Show me. Well done, 3 fingers. Let's pinch the sounds. K, a, t, cat. Well done. Oh, don't forget, I nearly forgot. Finger space, ace. K, a, t. Yes, that's right. Well done. Full stop. Excellent. Let's read our sentence. Sit on a cat. Well done. Let's remember our capital letters. Sit on a cat. Full stop. Your turn. Excellent. Now it's your turn to write a sentence. Get ready for writing. Okay? Don't forget your capital letters, your finger space, and your full stop. Off you go. Well done everybody. Super writing. Let's do some checking. Okay, are you ready to tick or fix? Great. Okay, let's have a look at the first word. Sit. If we wrote sit, let's give ourselves a tick. Did you remember a capital letter? Give yourselves a tick. Well done. Finger space. Ace. Well done. Give yourselves another tick. On. Did you write on? Give yourselves a tick. Finger space. Ace. Give yourselves a tick. Sit on A. Did you write A? Well done. Give yourselves a tick. Sit on A. Finger space. Ace. Give yourselves a tick. Sit on A. Cat. Did you write cat? Well done, everybody. And yes, our full stop. Give yourselves a tick if you put a full stop. Well done, super sentence writing. Let's count our ticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you got 9 ticks, give yourself a round of applause. Well done. Now, are you ready for a challenge? It's your turn to write a sentence all by yourself. Remember, capital letter, full stop, and don't forget the finger spaces, okay? Here's your sentence. Sit on a dog. Off you go.